Hi, this is Galaxy S24 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off wireless power sharing option on this device. So first open the settings and then scroll to the battery. Scroll down and tap the wireless power sharing section. Here you could see the switch with which you could activate or turn off the wireless power sharing option, and here you got the tutorial how you could use the device to charge the other phones, for example the other devices. For example, now this option enabled. Now let's just check. So we could see that our device charging. So where is it? Okay, let's check. As we could see, the device charging successfully now. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.